হ্যালো অ্যান্ড ওয়েলকাম টু হাতের মুঠোয় IELTS এবং আজকে আমরা দেখব রাইটিং টাস্ক 1 এবং টাস্ক 2 আমরা কিভাবে ট্যাকেল করব। সো রাইটিং টাস্ক 1-এ we will have a general introduction to the writing component. We will look at academic writing task 1, the marking criteria, the main problems and the common errors. We will also look at the introduction to the writing test. We will look at writing task 2, the marking criteria of writing task 2, the main problems that the candidates face in writing task 2. We will learn the art of understanding the question. We will also learn how to generate ideas, select them and organize them according to proper order. So dear candidates, the writing test takes about 60 minutes. And the writing test is divided into two subcategories. So প্রথমেই হচ্ছে আমরা task 1 নিয়ে কথা বলবো. So task 1 is usually a description of information, usually in the form of a diagram. এবং it might be the diagram of an object, diagram of a process or diagram of a set of data. At least 150 words লিখতে হবে এখানে. So the minimum word limit is 150 words. We cannot go below 150 words. We can go slightly above 150 words. Then the recommended time for writing task 1 is 20 minutes. So dear candidate,